Hi everyone, how are you today? I am thrilled to be here to share with you an unboxing of the August Kit Club. I just received this in the mail, and I also received this B6 softcover notebook. This is one of the new releases from the Arch and Olive Sunset sale that was recently held. These items are still at the sale or introductory prices the last time I checked on the website, even though the sale is over. So if you've been wanting to get some of the new items, you can still get them and use my code NOLANA10 for 10% off of these items. So I just thought I'd show you these really quickly. These are B6 softcover notebooks. It comes as a set of 3, so 48 dot grid pages, 160 GSM, 48 lined pages, and 48 graph pages. So this is a dot grid here, the lined and the graph pages. And so it's really exciting because they come in some really lovely floral patterns, and I can't wait to work in them. They're great for just taking around in your handbag if you're wanting to have a quick journal or notebook. Lovely to have them all 3 in 1, like the other one that I showed you in my video unboxing the items from the sunset sale. I'll link that down below for you. So then let's head into opening up this month's Kit Club. I am really excited. The theme is Note to Self, and it has some lovely colors coming through. The graph grid, wonky graph grid pattern on the package. So ta-da! These are stunning colors. Wow, okay, so this is definitely an ode to all things us, journaling community, note to self, writing, journaling, and for the first time ever, we have these acrylic paper clips. So these would be really fun to work with. I imagine you can use them as deco, but also use them to keep your pages flat, maybe in your notebook. Let me pull a note. Oh, maybe I could use this one, but I was thinking the hardcover ones. So I would also pull a hardcover one for you, but kind of just like keeping it a bit flat while you write, kind of thing. Let's see how it works with a bigger hardcover notebook. So we have some of these that you've seen before. So just kind of keeping your pages, let's see, flat if you need that. I mean, they mostly are flat, or just to mark your pages if you're wanting a bookmark to know. But we have bookmarks too. So anyway, we'll figure out some uses for these as we go along. But they're super cool, great for decor, great for just having paper clips. So, and then we have this washi tape set. So we have a nice ruler design, then a lovely lined rainbow pattern, and just a kind of cute doodly design here. So let me pull some paper out so I can show you. These are washi cards or swash cards, so not a full roll, but still enough for your layouts. I'd love to know if all of you are Kit Club subscribers, everybody watching. Are you a Kit Club subscriber? I'd love to know. If you're thinking of signing up, I will link it down below for you. As well, if you're just wanting to try some of the Kit Clubs in this shop, you can do so. There's sometimes quite a few kits in this shop as well, so I could link that for you too, and you could use my code NOLANA10 if you're wanting to catch up on some of the previous kits and try it out before you commit to a subscription. So I'm just going to pop that here, and we have this one, and then we also have this doodle. So some fun colors that we're working with. This doodle pattern is quite cute. I think it'll be great for journaling. And so let's just pull that off. So these are the 3 washi tape patterns here. And then we have the stickers. So let's put this here, and here we have these 2 paper clips. This is super cute patterns. One is the graph design and the other is a dotted. And then we have the sticker. So this is a satiny sheet. We have this nice canvas board type thing, or like a pegboard type layout. We have some flat lays, an open journal, open pencil case, you know, cluster of our favorite things. And then we also have these clear stickers with icons. So these would be really fun to use in our notebooks and planners. And then we have the date covers. So we have the days of the week in a few various color schemes and patterns. Green, navy blue, some kind of bluish gray. And this one has the graph grid doodles, and then some marks, numbers, and then we have our icons, our trackers. So this is fun. We have our deco boxes. This has blue foil, by the way. I didn't mention that before, but it's a really pretty blue foil. So you can see it here as well. We have a blue foil, and it will be really fun to work with. So we also have them here for the washi strips. We have I love this pattern with the paper clips and the washi pieces. This for the push pins, very fun. And then we also have this with some icons, so more blue foils, some nice stars, flowers, washi tapes. So note to self, a very, very cute theme. And now we have the papers. So we have these icons as well as this peach one, pink, and then this one which has, you know, lined like notebook, but also this black kind of chalkboard and this orange mark making. So this is really fun to work with too. So this is the Kid Club. This club is releasing on July 6th at 9 a.m. CST. It will be, if you already subscribed, it would be charged on the 1st, which is if you're watching this real time. And yes, let me know what you think about this subscription and how you like to use the subscription best. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being here, and wish you a very, very, very happy week and happy creating. Bye.